Today, we review the best acoustic guitars for beginners that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Yamaha F310 acoustic guitar. Yamaha is a brand known for its great quality instruments for beginners. They are a popular choice in schools and students alike. However, you might want to consider the Yamaha F310. This acoustic is made specifically for beginners.
Number 2.
Tanglewood Crossroads acoustic guitar. The Tanglewood Crossroads acoustic guitar is the guitar of choice for fans of vintage-style acoustics. This guitar comes with a style and sound that is reminiscent of 1930s America.
Number 3.
Yamaha F370. The Yamaha F370 is another option from the brand Yamaha that's made for beginners. Like the F310, the F370 is part of Yamaha's well-loved F-series. It has a body that is crafted from select tone woods.
Number 4.
Stretton Pane Dreadnought acoustic guitar. If you're looking for a smaller-sized guitar, then the Stretton Pane acoustic guitar is our choice. This folk-sized guitar is scaled at 25.5 inches with a dreadnought-style body.
Number 5.
Seagull S6 original acoustic guitar. The Seagull brand is one of the most renowned producers of acoustic guitars today. And when it comes to the best among the rest, the Seagull S6 is at the top of the list for its high-quality sound and material.